Have you ever looked up at the moon and pondered about the origin of its craters? The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is a silent sentinel adorned with a tapestry of craters. These lunar craters, a testament to the moon's tumultuous past, are generally believed to be the result of meteorites hailing from our own solar system. Yet, recent research paints a more intriguing picture. Scientists now speculate that some of these craters could be the handiwork of interstellar objects. Imagine celestial wanderers, unattached to any star system, journeying through the vast expanse of the Milky Way. Occasionally, these interstellar nomads stray into our solar system, their high-speed journeys culminating in a spectacular collision with the moon, creating a crater. What an extraordinary thought, isn't it? Objects from light years away leaving their mark on our moon. But how can we tell which craters are from these interstellar visitors? Let's delve further into this celestial mystery. Interstellar objects, wandering freely in the Milky Way, occasionally find their way into our solar system. These celestial nomads, unattached to any star system, are what we refer to as interstellar objects. Imagine them as the free spirits of the cosmos, roaming from one star system to another, sometimes even gracing ours with their presence. Now you might be wondering, how often does this happen? Well, estimates suggest that our solar system plays host to between 1 to 70 of these interstellar visitors each year. Quite the cosmic traffic, wouldn't you agree? But what happens when these high-speed interstellar objects cross paths with our very own moon? Well, they create craters, and not just any craters. We're talking about young, small craters with a high volume of melt near the moon's equator. These craters are the lunar calling cards of our interstellar guests. But why the moon's equator, you ask? Well, selecting craters in this region increases the likelihood of association with a high-speed interstellar object by 100-fold. Add to that, craters formed from high-velocity impactors with visible high-impact melt ponds. And the probability of association with an interstellar object goes up even further. However, it's important to remember that the moon is a popular destination for objects from within our solar system as well. So, while these interstellar object-created craters are fascinating, they are likely outnumbered by craters from other sources. So we have a method to identify potential interstellar object-created craters, but how do we verify this? Identifying interstellar craters is a bit like detective work. We're looking for specific clues that hint at an extragalactic culprit. Firstly, we focus on the young craters, ones with a high volume of melt. These craters, unlike their older counterparts, still bear the fresh scars of their violent birth. Next, we turn our attention away from the lunar poles. Why, you ask? Well, the lunar poles are a hub for a myriad of other crater-creating sources, making it harder to pick out the interstellar ones. Thirdly, we're looking for craters formed from high-velocity impactors. Think of them as the speeding bullets of the cosmos. These craters often have visible high-impact melt ponds, a telltale sign of their high-speed origin. Lastly, we look nearer to the equator. Here, the chances of finding an interstellar crater increase significantly. But remember, these interstellar object-created craters are likely outnumbered by craters from other sources. The study of these interstellar object-created craters could provide us with valuable insights into other star systems without the need for interstellar robotic missions.